Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I have to tell you about these awesome mittens for kiddos. I can't keep them in, they're awesome. I had never seen this type of mitten. My son is 2 years old and it's so hard to get his little hands in the mittens and know that his fingers are where they should be. It's just a pain. But these are so cool because they come with a zipper right down the front. So you can put their hand in, you can guide their hand, and then zip them up. This is a game changer in mom life or parent life. I like that they are kind of cinched here too, so they're not gonna fall off. They're warm inside. They're like fuzzy inside, which is nice. And then they are also waterproof, which is great as well. Another cool feature is that they have little clips, so that you can clip them together, which is great. So hopefully no lost mittens. And like I mentioned, I just can't get over the zipper down the front. That's absolutely awesome. I love it. And I love that they come in different colors too. So depending on your kiddo and what you think they might like, you can pick what works for them. So definitely recommend this. Think you should check it out. And that is my point of view.